We will start out with some kind of sign or wood piece. This is a sign I had from Halloween that I'll be painting over. I'll be using my favorite acrylic paint, and I'll put a link in the description. Paint your sign white or whatever color you'd like. The Mickey and Minnie image I used is from Design Space under Mickey and Friends Love at First Sight. This image is not included in Design Space, so you'll need to purchase it separately. Based off the size of your sign, you'll want to figure out the size of your image. I'm going to use premium vinyl, so I'll choose that as my material. Now for the weeding. Take your time and be sure to get all the little pieces. I'm going to take my transfer tape here and transfer my vinyl image to my wood piece. Make sure your wood piece is completely dry before you do this. Let's start making the wreath. Here are the materials I used: deco mesh, ribbon, and pipe cleaners. We will start by taking our pipe cleaners and cutting them in half. Then we will cut our deco mesh and ribbon. I cut them at 9 inches, but you can cut them to whatever length you like. If you use thick ribbon like this one, you can cut the edges like this to make the edges look different. I often get confused which way to cut, so I think about it before I cut it. You'll do the same thing with the thinner ribbon you use. I got these from Dollar Tree, and I'll cut them into 9-inch pieces. Once all your deco mesh and ribbon is cut, you'll use your pipe cleaners to bunch everything together and make your picks to go on the wreath. You'll attach them to the wreath using the ends of the pipe cleaners. You can make the picks all the same or change the colors. You'll attach the picks by twisting the pipe cleaners on the back of the wreath. My ribbon came out a little long, so I wrapped the extra around the wreath wire and used pipe cleaners to attach it. Now to attach my sign, I used ribbon and just tied it to the wreath wire. If you don't have holes in your sign, you can always hot glue the ribbon on the back. This wreath is super easy and fun, and if you like my video and want to see more Dollar Tree Cricut projects, please subscribe.